The 2017 Chevrolet SS is available in one well-equipped trim-level base with just 3 options: a power sunroof, a full-size spare tire and a manual transmission. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 engine, 415 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque, and either a 6-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission. The SS is rear-wheel drive only. Each vehicle typically comes in multiple versions that are fundamentally similar. The ratings in this review are based on our full test of the 2015 Chevrolet SS 6.2L V8 6-speed manual RWD manual. A sedan this big shouldn't be this fun. Not only is there ample power from the 6.2-liter V8, but the SS has world-class brakes, excellent steering, and a well-sorted chassis. This is a car that'll hold its own on the drag strip as well as in the mountains. The Chevy SS can't quite figure out what it wants to be. The ride is almost floaty in tour mode, yet all kinds of jiggly in performance. The seats have big bolsters that won't fit all body types, and they're not particularly comfy for long hauls. Other than the overall size and ease of entry, there's nothing special going on inside the SS. It does have a huge back seat and decent trunk space, but it's also saddled with the confusing MyLink infotainment system and old GM switchgear that's never been easy to use. The rear seats don't fold down, a big utility killer for a roomy car like this. The 8-inch MyLink touchscreen is crisply rendered and responsive. Although Chevy recently improved touchscreen response and processing times, we still prefer